Durgābāi Deshmukh, Lady Deshmukh was an Indian freedom fighter, lawyer, social worker and politician. She was a member of the Constituent Assembly of India and of the Planning Commission of India. A public activist for women's emancipation, she founded the Andhra Mahila Sabha in 1937. She was also the founder chairperson of the Central Social Welfare Board. In 1953, she married C.D. Deshmukh, the first Indian governor of the Reserve Bank of India and finance minister in India's central cabinet during 1950 to 1956. From her early years, Durgabai had been associated with Indian politics. At age 12, she left school in protest to the imposition of English medium education. She later started the Balika Hindi Pathshala in Rajahmundry to promote Hindi education for girls. When the Indian National Congress had its conference in her hometown of Kakinada in 1923, she was a volunteer and placed in charge of the Khadi exhibition that was running side by side. Her responsibility was to ensure that visitors without tickets didn't enter. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.